Good evening, folks. Welcome back to my channel. So today, right now, we are here at a shopping complex where we have given our speedometer for repair, as that has gone bad on ours one, as I had procured another one from the scrapyard and that was kind of like in a good shape. So there was, however, some problem, like the needles were damaged, so I have given that for repair. Coming back to the topic, in the previous video we have already restored our scooter that we recently procured, and then we made up our mind that we'll be scavenging parts from that scooter for the upkeep of this one. Now the entire point of this particular video is going to be letting you guys know about the things that I'm going to change on this scooter. So starting from the very first thing that I have already done, I've already changed the footrest. As you can see, it was pretty jammed. I'll be attaching the video soon, either in this video or for that matter some other. And then I had made an arrangement for it to be holding it properly and not getting freely dangling from here. So that's already been changed. So that's one thing. Along with that, I have also decided that I'll be changing this glove box, as this is kind of having relatively low volume compared to the one that is on that scooter. So that is going to be changed soon, but before that I'm obviously going to get it painted. Also, if you take a look at this thing, there's a play here, see that makes a sound, and the same goes with the other side too. It makes a lot of noise when you're riding at high speed, or for that matter riding on the rough terrain. It clatters a lot, so that's the problem. And along with that, there is certain difficulty with the speedometer's worm as well as the pinion setup which is over there, that has the stay for both of them has completely worn out. So I guess the stem shaft, which starts from here and goes right up till there, will be changed on this scooter from that one, as that's pretty much unused. Obviously we will have to change the shock absorber, as the shock absorber on that one is not really functional, owing to being left in the open for a really long time. That has rusted a lot and completely rendered useless. So these are the small things on the outer side that I'm going to change. Along with that, I'm also planning to change the block and piston for this particular scooter from that scooter, as I'm losing a small amount of compression on this one, and the power delivery is not really that great as it used to be earlier. And that's the sad part, cause that will cause further problem in case if we ride it continuously without changing that. So that will be changed. Also, I guess the flywheel as well as the magnet unit will be replaced, as the one on this one has gone damaged, as the scooter had fallen once, so that needs a replacement. So those are the two main things on the scooter's engine, this particular scooter's engine, that will be replaced. Also, the indicators on that scooter is genuine and they're still in good condition, so I will kind of like trying to buff them up and then place it on our scooter. So these are the small things that I'm planning to change. Then what, there would be a few more things, I guess. The electronics part, specifically the CDI on this one, is perfectly alright, so I don't really think I will be changing that. The ignition coil might get a swap, cause the ones that I have procured recently from the scrapyard was working well, but somehow I feel that it's it needs a more strengthened, or for that matter a thicker arc, spark arc. So those are the things that I'm going to go ahead with. Now, along with these, there are a few things which I'll be having and that I'm not really going to use on my scooter. So do let me know in case if you guys need it. I won't really be giving you an exhaustive list right now, but to let you guys know, on the outside itself I have a seat as well as a rear carrier from that scooter which has been refurbished. I refurbished it recently, so you can use them. And the horn cast, I already have a horn cast which is in pretty good shape, and also we have sufficient amount of safeguard for that, so I don't really think that it will be damaged on my scooter, so I'm going to let it go. And along with that, there would be other components too from my scooter, the flywheels cover as well as the gear changers cover. That will be something like this, albeit mine is orange, on that it will be black, and this one. So these two are in good shape. A kicker shaft is also there, not shaft, the kicker handle, I should say that, I should call that. So those are the things that's available for for you guys to pick it up, and should you need it, do let me know. I will be glad to let you guys have it. So that's the thing. And yes, the silencer also, that's the original one on that one, albeit it's a bit rusted, so we'll have to work upon that. Otherwise it's perfectly all right. So those are the things that's there for grabbing. Do let me know if you need them. And also, in case if you have a Vespa and the front body part has crumpled, or you have undergone some certain accident, then do let me know. I'm planning to chop it off from here and then sell the front half, and the rear half should be going to the scrapyard, as that contains the chassis number. So that's the short plan about it. So that would be all, folks. I hope you guys really enjoyed the elaboration of plan about this scooter. Stay tuned for more. Till the next time, build it, ride it.